Before you say a single word, your voice already speaks. Your tone, your rhythm, your silence. They all tell your story, even before English begins.
Exactly. English isn't just a language, it's music. Every word has rhythm, every sentence has melody, every pause has emotion.
Most learners don't realize that. They focus on vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, but forget the sound that carries the soul.
Right. That's why so many people sound flat even when fluent. They're speaking with knowledge, not feeling. Correct, yes. Alive, no.
And that's what we'll fix today. Not by grammar rules or fancy words, but by rediscovering the music in your voice.
If you've ever thought, why does my English sound robotic? Stay with us. By the end, you won't just speak English, you'll sing it.
Welcome to Miss English AI Podcast. Today's journey, Sound Alive, the music of emotion in English. Yes, it could mean I'm fine, calm, frustrated, or sad. Same words, different music.
Exactly. Learners often ask, how can I sound natural? I say, stop focusing only on words. Listen to the melody.
English has a rhythm, a heartbeat. Angry, sharp tone. Sad, slow. Excited, dancing.
When learners speak in a straight line, it sounds flat. Emotion is not decoration. It communicates meaning.
To sound natural, start hearing the emotional melody of your own sentences.
Every language has its beat. English moves like heartbeats, short, long, short, long.
Example, I don't know what to do. Robotic, flat. Let it flow. Dynamic, emotional.
Stress words like drums. Emotion naturally controls rhythm. Angry, faster. Sad, slower. Confident, steady.
Exercise. Tap your hand on your heart and say, I believe in myself. Match the rhythm. Feel the words.
When emotion meets rhythm, your English becomes music. It lives in your heart.
Tone is the color of your sound. If rhythm is the heartbeat, tone paints the feeling.
Tone tells how you feel. Happy, sad, surprised, nervous, peaceful.
Example, really? Curiosity, anger, disbelief, joy. Same word, different tone.
Emotion makes English alive. Fear of showing emotion? Don't. It's human, beautiful.
Even small pronunciation mistakes don't matter if your tone carries feeling. People connect with you.
Secret, emotion over perfection.
Silence is part of your music too. The pause is a breath between heartbeats.
Pauses let words breathe. Not empty space, emotional space.
Try. I'm sorry I hurt you. Pause before hurt. Hear the difference?
The pause gives empathy room. Silence is your rhythm partner.
Think of it like musical rests. Fill your speech with emotion, not just sound.
Live practice. I can't believe it. Robotic, flat.
Surprised? I can't believe it. Angry? I can't believe it. Sad? I can't believe it.
One sentence, three emotions, three different musics.
Bring life to words you already know. English stops being foreign. It becomes human.
Emotion is universal. Speak with it and you speak in the world's oldest language.
We've explored rhythm, tone, and pause, the invisible ingredients of natural English.
Next, we'll dive deeper into how your body and ear shape your emotional voice.
That's when your English transforms from correct to alive. Stay tuned. You know, Olivia, what you just said, from correct to alive, that's the real transformation. Because when your English becomes alive, people don't just hear you, they feel you.
Exactly. And that's where everything changes. You stop trying to sound fluent and you start to connect.
And connection is music. It's when two hearts find the same rhythm.
Beautifully said, William. Every emotion in your body has a rhythm. When you're nervous, your heartbeat is fast. When you're calm, it slows down. When you're excited, it jumps. And your voice follows that rhythm.
Yes, that's why emotion isn't just in your mind, it's in your body. Your shoulders, your breath, your heartbeat, they all shape your sound.
Exactly. So if you want to sound alive in English, you need to feel the rhythm inside your body first.
Let's try something together. If you're listening right now, close your eyes for a moment. Take a deep breath. Now say slowly, I'm here. Feel the air move through you. That breath, that's your rhythm.
Beautiful. And now say it again, but this time with warmth, like you're truly present. I'm here. Hear that softness, that confidence? That's not grammar, that's energy.
Exactly. Energy travels through your tone. It's invisible, but it changes everything.
Yes, and you can be miles away from someone, but if your voice carries emotion, they'll feel you as if you're sitting right beside them.
All right, let's talk about something most learners never practice: listening emotionally.
Ah, yes. People always say, listen to English more, but they don't say how to listen. They focus on words, but they ignore the music underneath those words.
Exactly. When you listen emotionally, you stop asking, what does it mean? And start asking, how does it feel?
Yes, that's the difference between understanding and feeling. When you watch a movie in English, don't just read the subtitles. Listen to the tone, the rhythm, the breathing. Ask yourself, is this voice warm? Is it sharp? Is it tired? Is it excited?
That's emotional listening. And when you train your ear to hear emotion, your mouth naturally learns to speak it.
It's like learning a song. You don't learn music by memorizing notes. You learn by listening to how it feels.
Exactly. And English is full of little musical moments. The soft fall of I'm sorry. The upward smile in really. The whisper of thank you. They all carry emotion if you know how to hear it.
That's why I always tell my students, don't just listen to English, listen to people.
Olivia, we talked about emotion in the voice, but the body plays a huge part too.
Absolutely. Your body is the instrument, and your voice is the sound that comes out of it.
Yes. When you slouch, your sound becomes smaller. When you open your chest and breathe deeply, your voice carries more emotion.
Exactly. And that's why confident speakers sound powerful, because their body supports their emotion.
Let's do a fun test. Say the sentence, I believe in myself. Now, say it while sitting down, shoulders dropped. Feels weak, right?
Yes, it sounds tired.
Now stand up straight, take a deep breath, lift your chest, and say it again. I believe in myself.
Wow, that sounds like a completely different person.
Exactly. Because emotion isn't just what you say, it's what your whole body says.
That's the secret. Your voice doesn't start in your throat. It starts in your soul.
Yes, because stories are where emotion lives. Let's show our listeners how this works in real life.
Okay, let's imagine this short story. You're late for a bus. You run. Your heart is racing. You see the bus moving. You shout, "Wait, please." You miss it, and then you laugh at yourself.
That's a perfect example. That moment contains emotion rhythm. It starts fast, then pauses, then releases.
Right. So if you tell that story in English like this, I ran to the bus, but I missed it. It's just words. But if you feel it, I ran to the bus, but I missed it. See the rhythm, the pause, the music of life inside it?
Exactly. That's what it means to sound alive. It's not about speed. It's about energy flow.
Yes. Every emotion has a tempo. Excitement runs fast. Sorrow slows down. Joy dances. Anger punches. Love breathes.
Beautiful. And English becomes real when your voice carries those tempos naturally. Perfect. Let's call it the feel, breathe, speak method.
I love that. Step 1, feel. Before you say anything, ask yourself, how do I feel right now? Don't hide it, recognize it.
Step 2, breathe. Take one deep breath, because breath connects your body and your words.
And step 3, speak. Let the emotion travel through your tone, not just your words.
Yes. If you do this for even 2 minutes a day, you'll start to notice something magical. Your English will begin to breathe.
Exactly. And people will start saying, you sound different, more real.
Because you're no longer translating. You're communicating. You're no longer performing. You're feeling. Yes. Because when you learn to feel your words, you start to understand yourself more deeply.
Exactly. English becomes not just a tool, but a mirror. It reflects who you are, what you feel, what you love.
And that's when communication becomes connection. When someone hears your voice and feels your truth, that's fluency.
Yes, real fluency isn't when you speak fast, it's when you speak with heart.
And when your English carries emotion, you don't just sound fluent, you sound alive. So wherever you are, at home, in a classroom, on a bus, remember this: your English already has music inside of it. You just have to let it sing. Feel the rhythm. Breathe the tone. Speak with your heart. Because language without feeling is just sound. But feeling turns sound into connection.
Yes, and that's what it means to truly speak English alive. HTMASEI. This is Ms. English AI Podcast, where every word has a heartbeat.